My name's Jamie Clews and I'm the Key Account Manager for Metcalfe Catering Equipment. Today we're going to make a beautiful spice blend using the Pacojet 4. So here I've got a garam masala mix, so I've got my selection of spices. I'm going to simply add these to the jug and then I'm going to cover with oil up to the line, freeze that for 24 hours down to -22, and then we'll come back and packetize. You can also use this for other spice mixes. Say if you want to make a chai tea, you could use a chai tea mix and just use water instead of oil. There's a whole selection of different things that you could use it for. So we've taken our frozen spice mix out of the freezer after it's been frozen for 24 hours down to -22. We're going to place that on the machine and we're going to packetize that. We're going to take off 0.1 of a portion, which would be roughly around about 8 grams, and then we're going to run that roughly, well, we'll go for 5 times just so we get a really nice fine mix. So now the Pacojet 4 has finished packetizing our spices, we can basically use these as we would for any general blended spice mix. So here for the garam masala mix, you can see how nicely, how fine it's taken those down, and we could use these for cooking, and it's guaranteed to be fresh every single time because we're only blending and packetizing the exact amount we need for each recipe.